Igodo. This is actually where they acted Igodo movie. Oh here, this is the cave that we are about to enter into. Yeah, this is where we are actually about to enter into. I'm speaking right from Piase local government, Cross River State, Agwagune to be precise. Here is the cave. Here at the top. Here is the cave. Here is the cave. It's so cool. Like it's cool and nice. It's so cool and nice. This is a cave. You can see how it looks like. So interesting. Amazing. It's not a man-made stuff. It was not constructed by a man. This is where they sit. Egemu. Right now.
Where is this touch?
Well, right now the bats are about to greet us. The bath. You can see it from there. The bath are greeting us. The bath are greeting us. You can see them coming. You can see them coming.
This one are eatable.
You can see them coming. The bath. These are the bath that stay in there.
And the noise.
These are the bats that stay in there. You can see them coming. This is not a man-made. It has been here for decades. This is where you can sit down to relax. The bats are greeting us. You can see them flying. You can see them flying. Now let's go in there and see what is inside there. Yeah. Whoa, these are part of the rooms. These are part of the rooms. The stones. Where we are entering the stone in bro. We are entering the stone. My uncle is actually going in. Well, let's see. Bro, same Fusadot. This is where the lions stay.
This is the entrance where most of the animals stay, but since the human being body cannot have access to that place, actually, okay, let's go to this side. According to the history, so this is the back side, the door of the entrance.
Yes.
To the cave.
Well, these are the bath. The bath are greeting us. They can't harm us. Yeah. Yeah. They are going in. Sarabima going to bro. Rest Sarabima. All these are the corridors. Those are the baths. On area. Yeah. All these are. This is the bath. You can see it there. This is the bath. Oh boy.
I think this place looks like a snake cave. Either a snake cave or a crocodile cave.
Whoa.
Yes.
Crocodile cave.
Yes.
Like as you can see, and it's part of the room.
Yeah.
It's one of the room maybe.
Yeah.
For the crocodile, and it's not. They all dragon. Whoa. These are the places. All these are the cave. Is it make what? Oh no, touch. We manage out. This is where the bath stay. If you can see. This is where the bath stays. You can see. Seven or some. This is where the bath in a. This is where the bath stays.
And this is the height. The height is about 5 feet.
Because
This is bad.
they can never harm you. Not at all. They can never harm you.
Most of all these
These are where they stays.
Foods or remnants from the animal leftovers. You understand? We are getting into the story. We are getting inside. Please,
No, I know
can you
enough.
excuse us? Cricket.
The cricket, bush cricket. These are where the bush cricket stays.
But here at night, it's like people playing music. You hear different kind of music, different kind of organ playing. In a jockey, it looks like snake. It looks like snake. You know, Jimmy G. Jimmy G. Looks like Jimmy the
This road, not dragon road. Dragon road.
So the dragon is still inside
Yeah,
there.
inside.
So the dragon is still there.
You will not do anything.
She fell asleep.
When you reach inside backyard, they open, very open.
And if a game way of imagination.
No.
As they don't welcome you, so they don't go their way.
Okay. Okay. This is actually daytime, but it looks like night. Because in here, there were the backyard. This is the backyard. This is where the dragon walks. The dragon, the lion, the snakes, they all live here. This is where the dragon itself walks. You can see how clean it is. This is where it walks. Okay. It passed through here. Yeah. Oh, wow. This is the backyard to the cave. The dragon, it spits out fire. This is its road. Wow, in a Iromejel. Ne. That's the bath going. Oh boy, in a vanage. About the Avanaji? Over Majana.
Will you come here, come find me, go chop for us?
This is the bath. Bath is trying to go. This is the dragon road. Okay. Okay. Whoa.
They don't pass, yeah. They don't pass. See dragon road.
Whoa, it's so clean. This is the dragon road.
See where we used to enter.
Bring touch. This is where.
Don't fear.
This is where the dragon lives.
Yeah, the road.
Charlie, I beg. Oh, I don't know who opened this bag. No,
Look at the road clear.
Whoa.
Prince.
Oh,
Prince, where your food?
this is where the dragon stays.
Prince, where your food?
You can see how clean it is. Whoa. This is where the dragon stays. Wow.
Now how person go take enter the backyard?
This is the bath.
Come.
The pathway.
Emma Banashi, yes.
These are the roads.
Hey, I don't shut up, Ewa, and a bad out.
Shovel is what?
Mark on get Ruje, and on the water, a tunnel. I make paying of